Hi, so my research article is titled A Two-Experiment Treatment Comparison Study Teaching Social Skills to Children with Autism Spectrum Disorder. The authors are Deborah Barry Malmberg, Majori H. Charlap, and Sarah J. Dershfeld. The study conducted two experiments. The purpose of Experiment 1 was to expand upon previous video modeling research by 1. Addressing social skills that have been less researched in the literature, and 2. Providing a direct treatment comparison with social stories. Experiment 2 further explores the research by providing another treatment comparison in which social stories will be used in a behavioral treatment package. Dependent variables are percentage of trials with the target social behavior, and the independent variable is the treatment, which is video modeling or social stories. Inter-observer reliability was calculated for 40% of all sessions by dividing the number of agreements by the number of agreements plus disagreements multiplied by 100. IOA was an average of 95% across participants and conditions, with a range of 89 to 100%. The research assistants calculated treatment fidelity on 40% of sessions using an 18-item checklist. Treatment fidelity for individual sessions averaged 90% with a range of 81 to 100%. For Experiment 1, for all 4 children, the social behaviors were at or near 0% during baseline. After the introduction of the treatment, all 4 children met criterion and learned their social behaviors during the video modeling conditions, but failed to learn their social behaviors when presented with social stories. For Experiment 2, the 2 participants' results showed that criterion was only met during the prompting conditions. Generalization for social skills were also favorable for the prompting conditions as well as at follow-up. However, 1 participant's behavior seemed to start to decrease over time at follow-up. Social stories alone as an intervention was not successful at achieving criterion for any of the participants. Results of this study support the evidence base for video modeling as an intervention for children with ASD for the acquisition of social skills. A delayed cue prompting accompanied with a social story is also supported by this study. The study adds to previous research by having mixed results regarding social stories. Video modeling is shown to be the superior intervention in teaching social skills for children with ASD. In order to conduct a multi-element comparison, there was a limitation because there was different social skills that were used for each treatment condition. However, the social skills were randomly assigned and the same social skills were used for each treatment condition. That is, sharing was assigned to both video modeling and social stories conditions. Another limitation is that as video modeling has prerequisites of attending to a screen, social stories may also have prerequisites that are not described in the literature.